Most people think starting a side hustle means learning to code, editing videos for 10 hours a week, or dropshipping products from overseas. But if you want extra cash without learning an entirely new skill from scratch, there is a much lower friction option. Monetize the things you already own. Right now, you probably have hundreds or thousands of dollars worth of physical assets sitting around depreciating. Renting them out turns idle clutter into immediate cash flow. You don't need a warehouse full of commercial equipment to do this. The best rental items share two traits. They are expensive to buy outright and only needed occasionally. Vehicles: a second car, a pickup truck for weekend moves, or an idle utility trailer. Home and yard tools: pressure washers, carpet cleaners, lawn aerators, ladders, and tile saws. Electronics and media gear: DSLR cameras, podcast microphones, lighting kits, and projectors. Physical space: a spare parking spot near a downtown area, empty garage space, or storage capacity in a basement. A few years ago, renting your stuff meant posting risky ads on Craigslist and hoping people didn't vanish with your gear. Today, dedicated platforms handle the payment processing, identity verification, and insurance. For cars and vehicles, Turo and Getaround let you list personal vehicles with built-in liability and physical damage coverage. For equipment and tools, platforms like Higlo and Fat Llama let you list everything from camera lenses to heavy-duty power tools. For space and parking, Neighbor lets you rent out driveways, garages, and storage space, while apps like Spot Hero or Spacer work well for dedicated parking spots. Local groups: hyperlocal Facebook groups and community forums are great for zero-fee rentals among neighbors. Let's set expectations. Renting your gear will not make you a millionaire overnight. You might make $150 by renting out a pressure washer for a couple of weekends, $300 a month by renting out an empty parking spot, or $500 by letting someone use your secondary car for a week. This isn't an empire-building venture. It's a stepping stone. It generates near passive income, covers monthly subscriptions or utility bills, and gets you comfortable with the concept of making money outside a 9-to-5. Before you list anything, keep 3 rules in mind. Never skip platform protection. Only rent through apps that offer verified renter checks and deposit insurance policies. Document everything. Take high-res photos and video timestamps of the item's condition immediately before and after every single handover. Don't rent sentimental items. If losing or damaging the item would devastate you, don't rent it out. Stick to purely functional tools and gear. Take a quick walk through your garage or closet today. Figure out what's sitting idle, throw up a listing, and let your assets work for you. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical income strategies. Drop a comment below with the weirdest thing you own that someone might pay to borrow.